A task isn't really hard, it's just our mindset. Like most people go into sales to fail. They fail because they think they will not earn any wins. Sales is simple. You will make 200 calls in 1 hour, you will get 10 people, 4 will answer and 50-50 probability 1 will say yes. If you are selling a product or service for $1,000, how many hours will it take to make $1 million? 1,000 per unit times a 1,000 hours. It will take you 41 days, which is roughly 1 month and 1 week. Non-stop, no breaks, which is impossible. If you work from 7 in the morning until 7 in the evening, every day for a month, it will take you 2 to 3 months to make $1 million. You will make approximately $200,000 per month, $50,000 per week. From a commission of $1,000 in any currency, if this algorithm works. It's similar to a viral video. I've got 180,000 views, 1,800 likes and only 1 client. If you understand the scope or the algorithm, you can devise a plan to beat it.